Good afternoon, boys and girls. I thought we would have story time. Today we are going to read My Daddy Snores. The author is Nancy H. Rothstein, and the pictures are of the illustrator is Stephen Gilpin. Let's see what it's about. My Daddy Snores. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled so. Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of the bed. So she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. So Mommy slept in the doghouse. Poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loud. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's bubble snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke up us. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hanny slept until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd love more ice cream. Have a great weekend, boys and girls, and I hope your daddy doesn't snore. What? You gonna say hi, boys and girls? You wanna say hi, boys and girls? Sit. Sit. There you go. Good boy.
Good boy. Such a good boy.